Isn't that a good whale?
Do you like chewing on whales? What do you think, buddy?
This one.
He does like that one. I'm doing some video.
Oh. Huh?
Video. You're on video.
This is video?
Yep. Hi, sweetie. I see you. I see you, Olivia.
Oh, no. You're strong.
Oh, yeah, it's this one. Well, no, I'm not gonna. I'll show it to you.
Oh.
I'll go behind.
Can you say hi?
Oh.
Hi, Uncle Carl.
Hi.
Oh,
Deep breath.
You look tired still.
And I'm ready for a nap.
No. We gotta keep you awake.
Did she nap while I was gone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. There you go. There, look at that. You like those things, huh? Aren't they fun? Yeah. Oh, boy.
That's a big yawn.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, it's a big yawn.
Oh, boy.
Hi, buddy.
How well that dress fits her.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it? Are you getting tired?
Oh, no.
Did you lose your whale?
Oh, you were just happy. Here, here's the whale.
Uh-oh. Here. Maybe this will help. Will this help?
You want this one?
Oh, it's okay,
Well, you
bud.
were just so happy.